Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Imtiaz and this is the 5% Club. This is another market analysis video, so let's get right into it. Guys, as we discussed already, market was extremely sideways today. I told you guys, until unless I get my levels, I'm not going to trade it, and that's what actually happened. If you guys see, market did not breach above 22 level, 22,440 or 22,360 and below. Okay, it did not breach. It did, but immediately it came. This 915 candle, it's extremely tough to capture. Okay, this is a very tough candle to capture. Only 5 minutes, 1 minute, 5 minutes will be able to, it will be possible. I'll show you. See this, this should be the candle. See, where will you sell it? There's no chance. 15, there's no chance of selling it here. Okay, so just a minute, looks very clumsy. Yeah, okay, see here there's no sell. Okay, here there's no buy. It went up but there's no buy. This, and even in 5 minutes we don't have a very proper signal above or below. Okay, yes, here we did a very strong signal, but immediately the next candle came up. So even if somebody would have entered it, it's a stop loss, clear stop loss. So tomorrow we are sticking to the same levels again. Only if it closes above 22,440 and above, I'll be looking forward to buy it, and my selling will be only below. Now it is shifted to no, it's in the same place, but this is kind of a concerning place. It's fine. Only below 22,365 and below, I'll be looking forward to sell it. So this for Nifty. Next is Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty, we had a SL in the morning today because of this candle. We entered here, entered at 9:30. We entered here, went up. There's a big red candle, came down, took the SL, and then started going up. I did enter here. On this candle I entered, that is 11:30. I entered here, and my stop loss is exactly below this candle. Here my stop loss was here. I entered it on my secondary account. This is how the trade looks now. I'm positive here because I have space on the upper side. That's why I'm positive. Now this loss is also recovered. Okay, this loss, whatever happened here, was recovered here now. So we can't call this 1:1. Now we can call this cost to cost. Yeah, but I still have a space of almost 300 points. Yeah, after that we will see, because after that also we do have a very good space to capture. That is almost 700 points we have, guys, even on the upper side. Okay, so it's totally fine. Now this is the level for Bank Nifty. So if it crosses above 47,860 and above, I'll be looking forward to add more position to this. If it's gonna hit my stop loss tomorrow, I'm totally fine. I don't have any issues, because market can become more volatile because of the runs it has given. You see the bull runs, bear runs, all this has been happening. So because of these kind of moments, market can go volatile. That's what actually happened in Nifty. Okay, so next is US oil. US oil, if you guys see, we are still holding the trade. Market is in same place. In 15 minutes time frame, we can definitely see a trend line. Let me just lock this really quick. Okay, it's locked. So if you guys see, this is a trend line here. Just draw it. This is a trend line here. Okay, which is a good trend line. It's a decent trend line. If this breaches, we can definitely expect a good upper momentum till $81.70. Okay, this low is getting broken. Small concern is these lows are getting broken. That is the only small concern now. It has come to this low. If this low gets broken again, I'll be squaring it off. Okay, exiting it in cost to cost. I won't be holding the trade anymore. Yeah, that is if the price comes to $79.05 and below, I'll be closing the trade off in cost to cost. Next is gold. Gold, we are looking strong, guys. Gold, we are strong. We still have a lot of space on the upper side. That is, we have 50 points on the upper side. Yesterday we were here at the same place. Today we are at the same place. But even now, this is a good place to buy gold, because if you guys see, just a minute, I'll lock this. Okay. If you guys see, this place has a consolidation bar. Okay, this place has a good consolidation bar. After this bar only, it is gone out. So whoever is interested, they can buy it here. Can buy it here on a small quantity, and this can be the stop loss, and target can be same as 2145 can be the target. It's a 1:3 trade, which is good. But SL is possible here because of the volatility. If it goes from here, well and good. I'm not adding any positions. I'm just going to hold the same position what I have. So that's it for gold. We have 4 stocks for swing trading. First is PEL. PEL has been consolidating for a very long time now, almost consolidating for 106 days, and now it's given a breakout. Let me turn on the volumes quick. Okay, so can't I move this? That's fine. Volumes, this was a good buying volume, and after that we can see good buying volumes happening still. Just a minute. I'll just make this a bit. Yeah. Okay. So volumes are little higher. It's good. So if I get a price of 965 to 984, I'll be looking forward to buy it, and my stop loss will be at 934. Okay, target is subjective because too many resistance or top. It's better to trail the stop loss. Okay, so that's it for PL. Next is Havels. Havels on a weekly time frame has given a very good breakout, and this is a good pullback. So tomorrow I'm adding positions to this. I'll be buying it at 1550 to 1590. This is the price I'm expecting. Anywhere in this price, if I get, I'll be buying it, and my stop loss will be at 1465. Okay, next is Jamna Autos. If you guys see, this is its recent all-time high, which has been broken now. It has to survive here. If I get one or two more candle, but I want one or two green candles here, like one more green candle if I get it here, and if the candle closes something above this, like this, I'll be definitely looking forward to buy it. It should close like that. I'll be definitely looking forward to buy it, and my stop loss will be at 127. So my entry I'm expecting is above 136 and above. I want an entry, and my stop loss will be at 127 to 125. Okay, last is Marathon. Next gen has given a breakout on its recent all-time high. So this is a very good pullback. This pullback is a very good level to buy, so I'll be definitely buying it at 515 to 529 or 530, and my stop loss will be at 485. Okay, so that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like my content. If you guys like my content, please like, share and subscribe. This is just my view on the market, how I'm gonna trade it, and what are the actions I'm gonna do tomorrow. This is not a tip or a recommendation. This is just my view on the market. Please use this only as references. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.